I have some problems with my glasses. They got a little scratched up from putting clip-on sunglasses on them. You can just see some scratching here, some scratching here. I'm going to see if I can get rid of that scratching now. I'm going to start with these ones here, the ones close in, because they don't affect my actual vision. If it works, then we'll use it for the rest. I'm just going to put a dab here, dab here, and we're going to try to use this sponge with that little bit on it. I will center this on this. Alright, so let's see how well we do. Yeah, we'll try a little bit of lens cleaner on it. And you know what? The scratches are coming out. There doesn't seem to be any ill effect to the lens. I put a little bit of rubbing compound on each lens in the affected area, and we're going to see if we can scrub it up after we did our test in the middle. No damage to the lens. We can only improve it from here. Final this way because if there is any striation, it won't show as much if it's going up and down. So let's clean these up a bit and see how well we've done. We'll finish it up with a bit of lens cleaner. This does not come up perfectly, but it is greatly improved from what it was. I think if we give it 1 or 2 more treatments, we should have this, all these little minute scratches in the carbide lenses, we should be able to get them to disappear. So it took 3 treatments, so the scratches are practically all gone. And let's see. Well, we can call this intensive care for your glasses because ICU. Hi. If you enjoyed what you saw in that video, then please click the subscribe button over here. Yeah, that one. Subscribe button, please. And whenever I put a video up, you will find out about it.